Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Pluralian means? Let's explore. Pluralian is a term used to describe someone who is attracted to multiple genders, similar to bisexuality or pansexuality. Pluralian individuals experience romantic or sexual attraction across a range of genders, appreciating the diversity of gender identities. This orientation is inclusive and recognizes the complexity of gender, emphasizing the attraction to people of various genders rather than focusing on just one or two. The term is part of the broader spectrum of sexual orientations that go beyond the traditional heterosexual or homosexual categories. In essence, Pluralian is about being open to relationships with people of multiple genders, acknowledging the richness of gender diversity in attraction. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.